I don't know about you, but my thumbnails recently have just been absolute bangers. Just look at those. I mean, 2022, I am coming at you with full force. And I've even been using the same technique on my Instagram. And to be quite honest, it's one of the only times I've actually gotten above 100 likes. Mint. Now, the technique I'm using to drop just a little bit of sauce on all those photos is an app called Lens Distortion. Now, this app, you're gonna love it. So Lens Distortion is an app that you can just download on your phone, and you can throw in any photo you want and you can edit it. But we're not talking contrast, saturation. You can do all that sort of stuff, but I'm talking more like effects, like lens flares, text, snow, fog, all these different kinds of things. It's basically Photoshop, but made easy. So let me just show you a photo that I uploaded to my Instagram recently. Now, this is a What's in My Camera Bag 2022 photo, and you can see the text in the middle. That was done in Lens Distortion. Now, the orange gradient in the top left and the blue, more light gradient in the bottom right, those were both done in Lens Distortion as well. And it's just these little extras that you can drop onto a photo that genuinely take it from maybe a 4 or a 5 to about a 9 or a 10. Now, I use this technique for my car photos in Forza as well. So when I upload a photo of Forza, I'll normally write the name of the car over the photo, and then I'll erase the writing so that it looks like the writing is in front or behind the car. Very, very effective. Now, that's all done in just one app on my phone. I mean, I also use it on my iPad mini because I've got the pencil, but to be honest, I can literally just do it if I'm sat in the car, sat on the train, if I'm sat on the sofa, if I'm sat on a plane, anything that rhymes really, if I'm sat anywhere. You can literally just do it wherever. So edit a photo on the computer, airdrop it to your phone, throw it into Lens Distortion, job's a good one. You've just made a banger. Oh, look at this, look at this. This is while I have literally just been filming this in the past 10 seconds. Look at this. Instagram. That's because I'm using Lens Distortion. Enough said. Okay, so to prove that it's not all just smoke and mirrors and I'm not just blowing smoke up Lens Distortion's ass, I'm going to do one with you right now. So I'm going to open Lens Distortion and I'm going to do a photo right now. Let's choose this photo. Pretty plain, there's nothing too much going on, there's no lens flares, there's no writing or anything like that. So what we can do is we can scroll across, look at all this text that we've got here, look at all this text. All different kinds of light hits and things like that, light, volume, overlays, nature, fog, snow, rain, yes! I'm going to add in a text that says Timex, that's the brand of the watch. So we're going to add in, and tell you what I'm going to do, I'm going to erase the text around the watch. So it looks like the text is going behind the watch. So let's select erase, softness, all the way down there. Let's zoom in, and we're just going to erase wherever the watch is. Just look at how effective that is. Just look at it. Just simply erasing the text so that it goes behind something like that, and all being done on your phone. I mean, what do I really need to convince you anymore to get this app? Love it. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the stuff you already love to do. I will see you in the next one. Shitty.